us.
Palm your ass one more time.
How about you, Thickness? Goggles?
Cop?
What, boy?
Bad guys.
Would you want a cookie? Tell out my face.
Ass.
What?
You heard me.
I can smell that liquor on your breath.
I've been drinking. People don't like you.
I look like I care what people think.
Movie of the Month, Hancock. Friday, 23rd December at 11 p.m. Only on Z Studio. Hollywood on Television.